Ready to ditch the boring cards and create a business card that screams professional and gets you noticed? First, let's get started by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. This is your canvas. Set the width to 35 inches and the height to 2 inches. We're sticking with the standard business card size. Make sure the units are set to inches. Next, create a rectangle that is the size of the business card. Then create a bleed area. This ensures that your design extends past the trim lines, preventing any white edges. Typically, this bleed area is 1 to 5 inches on all sides. Now, let's move on to the layout and content to decide what information you want on your card. Your name and job title, contact information like phone number and email, and social media handles if relevant, and of course, your logo is key. Now let's work on typography. Choose a font that reflects your brand. Too many fonts can be distracting, so stick to a couple. Experiment with different font sizes and weights, and also with the alignment. Don't forget to maintain good readability. Use the Align panel to neatly organize your text. Next up, colors. Select a color palette that aligns with your brand identity. Use colors strategically to highlight important information. Go to the swatches panel to create and save your colors for consistent usage, or you can use the color guide panel for more color ideas. When you're happy with your design, it's time to export. Go to File, greater than export as. Save it as a PDF. This is the best format for printing. Make sure to choose the high quality print preset or similar. Remember to include your bleed area when exporting, and voila! You've created a professional business card.